Ana o say you mukrom wano na kolugu hanom de na asi
de asi ene say
yeah
ya wa hanom no ye nyina ye to aba no ma MPP fo
okay
ena ye nyina ye fo omo so
okay
na eduru bebi na aka say ye beto aba no omo be ye light kakra ma
MPP fo no be ye light ma
light no be ye kakra ma ye
okay
anche ena mframa be bubu ni nyina gu fom
okay
ena aba no so
ye MPP fo ye ansa na
omo no omo ye light we na akasa de omo no omo ye me ntwantro MPP fo na aye na de me kan say MPP fo aye na bubu agu fom a NDC fo say si omo no omo wo power
okay
omo bo aye kakla
mate say mo support NDC power original crowd NDC ni
oh ampala nkasa me NDC ni anu odenti na me kasa no me NDC ni mata de wa dem nyesa akora aka me kofa say
okay
me wo hopa na de ha me say ye NDC fo a we ya bubu agu fom na ye ni light omo san hwe
okay
say ye da baby ye ni light
ebu to form ache
ye to aba no ye to aba no wie ye no ase ye bedua no na light no
okay
mframa no ba ya edugu fom tie ye wo ha nyina no light ni ha ye ni light ye posira kwara na ye charge fom kwara ekura mi adum
no light
adum mi nibi
mi ameba ha ma
wonya
mi ameba ha ma hu
sa na hatie te paacho na me sere o mo se nka o mo boa ye se ndi sefo ye say ye de ma o ma ya hwe se o mo beboa ya na abase nu omo hu ye mbobo no beboa ye ne light
se ma ka chem se northern region edamakoma so pa mamba kurubi su na vrungo hwa kurubi e frene kolugo na ukokuru nto e fre hozo school bi wo ho medonyankopon se asema ya meka ene wo entetanfidie su mi nitro nchiro bi amahama haruna idrusu hwe square wa classroom se wa na sabi enkura na tete form enkura na mo tete form no musua de ye be wura class be yamiensa be hunsa kunwa ba kokura say eniwo omo tete form eno musua de so let's start enini high kg1 wahu akunwa ba kokura anya den eniha akunwa ba kokura mo tete form Mr Haruna Idrusu wo yesiremi ma wani na ho yamra high class en class 2 nti ya class 2 Haruna Idrusu akunwa ba kokura eniha ebi mo tete saadi wesu na musua de bia ye kasa asem ye ka mo dwense nipa ni obi mpo obi asem ye propaganda again na tesa ye propaganda ogana ase na moti wono munya hu sa asem we MPP ni NDC na ha mo adwen eye upper east region na vrongo kro kitwa bi wa ye frane na vrongo achi kro kitwa bi ese na vrongo ase ye fra kro nu kolugo na wura kolugo nu ma school ni ye frane ni di zuo kolugo zuo primary school what I say nti enu na wa ha what I say one akraye ogina oba school wa ha oba school wa every duty si bia wa ha bia no odi bibia ma me what I say yen ko na ko wura class for mo hwa ade nti abusa ye ko next class yen ko next class na yen ko hwa ade next class me catch ro mo sirefo na ko se mu omo sabi omo a nkura na omo ko school wa the southern part no omo nua mo so na wa ha na omo so omo ye nipa yan hwa ha say youth president Haruna Idrusu ba bia wo bia make sure say adwuma na president Muhammad ya hya wonsa no obeye ni akonwa eni ha Kolugozuo primary school mu make sure say president Muhammad odi konwa ebe ba upper east region na vrongo Kolugozuo primary school enkonya eni ho no eya asefem ya kan obeka say me ya propaganda dabi ene propaganda na mo ye munsem hunu na mudi nu na ye pese etu ase organ ha na sabi fremfo so etwa tax organ aya mo respect Ghana for what I say mumu ye mumu fremfo so na mo ye nipa munja san kwasa de na mo te Ghana ha mo ye no let's respect each everyone enti edin na wo no Kolugozuo primary school Kolugozuo Haruna Idrusu babia obia fa onhwehwa ni mo bra be supply mo nkonwa na mo nsia de na mo so mo ye Ghana for what I say mo nsum o man Ghana yi mahama ne ye wo ha no God bless Ghana member what say wunima sase na bra Kolugo primary na sabi enya fe let's go to the other class and see. I'm finished start class with. Okay. The same. Dada na. Also, they be almost to form. So you just imagine say oba be dware awie say okọ school. Na oba school no polish awati nyina ode betena form. Ha krampo de say atutu. Ha krampo minu ahwe hwe o. Hwe we na enua mo ne ye ma bi mutimo. Na so bi Ghana obi e Ghana ni sin obi ana. Obi anye Ghana ni sin obi. The state of the schools. The state of the schools e wo kolugo. Me my fam dia wi. Abayfo NMP nepa. Enkwasiafo political enkwasiafo bi agimifo bi na be soreti ame. Kwasia wotuo. I don't want to talk much. I don't want to. Me person emotions per se uram. Me person me keep me temper na cool. Me I don't want emotions to enter because me yakwachi. God bless Ghana. Bye bye. When we start school we, na to wase na hwe. Me ni nyina ba be wura school no. Ni ahwe classroom so nkonya dodo a ewo classroom. Ha yesirem. Klobi a efe ne Kolugo ewo na Vrungo. Let's go. See the windows na issue no. See, yeah, we are going to enter together, eh? Why? Now more TikTokers now more more followers am yesire for mu use my platform no. Enfo advocate we amoto am bi mu di nkwasasem no. Let's enter. Everyday school entrance no. And in the enyam to was na yenko. No pressure. And Timmy, I ram the machi. Bibi wa. Anza kunya biania. Na sukuro na vrongo MP na ohon. Ni dia escape me kakra. Ono na hwe kuro we so. MP na ohon na vrongo no. Me come say President Mahama. Se obi agi usika di se wodi beton konya masan kwa ya oboa o no kra wom no oboa ebia na wa ye bibi ebia na o ma twa bi pato se o ma ye bibi sei but it is a lie. Let's go classes no one by one. Yenko class no one by one. Yinwura ha yenwe side papa bi wa na o konya bi wa ha mesra yenua mo ba o mbetena fom Omuba betena form Kolugo primary school no omuba betena form yenko another class ti ono anka sani university ni onka.
This is the Nadoli Kaleo district. This river is called the Kankanzia River. It crosses it crosses from here to Charasombo, a suburb of the Nadoli Kaleo district. In fact, today the teachers cannot go to school. This particular nurse they are holding, the woman they are holding, she has some patients to attend to at the health facility. That's why she's risking her life. Oh, Nadoli Kaleo district, who will get this video and say to our leaders that we are actually suffering. We are actually suffering. Oh, look at the way they are carrying somebody's wife. Oh, Madam, God bless you. Oh. Let me pull the camera to, look at the woman. They are carrying the nurse to go and attend to patients. Abba, simple bridge. We can't get it across this river, Kankanzia River. We want somebody that will get this video to push it to the presidency. Our honorable Speaker of Parliament, this is his constituency that he left some years ago. Mary Haruna, if I also watch him, whoever that pushes to these people will help us a lot. In fact, the teacher is over there. He cannot come. Yes. The teacher is standing there. He's from Kumasi Asante region and 7 days district. He cannot come to school. He cannot go to school today. In fact, let me show myself small where I am standing to take the video. Yes, the water as it stands now is at my chest. Yes. In fact, this is high risk. High risk. And a simple bridge will solve this problem. A bridge will solve this problem. Oh. Look at how the nurse is suffering. Oh, every year we suffer this. This place, it has claimed a lot of lives. It has claimed a lot of lives. This is 3 kilometers away from Nadoli. It's just, but today, teachers cannot go to school. And I think this water can be here for at least 1 week before somebody will make an attempt to cross. So for the 1 week, the children will not get any teacher. Oh, who will help us? The Kankanzia River, today it is at its highest peak. Please push this video to the right people for us. I'm in the water taking my race. Oh, madam, God bless you. Oh, yes, madam, God bless you. The nurse has done very well. The community people have come to assist her. Yes, the community members have come to carry the woman across. In fact, she's happy she's will be attending to her patients. So please, push this video to the DC for her. That she should just drive today and come and see.
Mina Brunton supported that. Another class. Another class. Another class. Let's enter. We enter. We enter. You know what? Now you see the reason why at the top, I they make noise like I'm a crazy man. You see? You see? You see? You know see them for bread. You know see them for binim bread classroom so me say omo mo TikTok kwa omo Jimmy no omo ti kuma sen cry. On fan the phone and fighting money nua owo kura se da. Ba me ba bia ma to mi car free ama ba duru ha no. Krowe asra obenya car ubewura kro na bra wa bre no. Eya wona ho sponsor me. Eya mia me sika ana ma Jimmy nti ana me say me kwama me nua mo. Na so kwasafo bi adwen so omo ya Ghana for sene ho. So that is how the class 2 is. Someone is better. Yanko Ponshamo. Yanko Yanim. Intimo check classes. How many Kunyana Muhu ye? How many?
That expose now me one northern region me ye. Biti say Aquine, especially Sukua Daya. Ye nua monketwa. O team a onia kunyatina so a de base aban emeya no. They say, Minia Seremni biti baby, or Pemia poison me kumi, or Pemia semi, or Pemia sema bravo. Just because I'm thinking about people, I'm thinking, say, Nipa ebe hunia koso, not even say NGO individual people be amuwa musika. Ebe say, boy, you no more motete for musia there. Because I feel like, say, they also, especially some papa for no money, mammy for they will never agree with you. But Kurano they deserve better. And paying for they deserve better. Yeah, and Kurano they deserve better. They say minya biti baby pemakumi. And see, minyanum moi mama location say men cheki bibi say mama minya bibi say mama no. The truth is, I can't do and I won't do. Because of say one kasa one location ti and I will say me share I've been kasa I've been born with team dabi na mum me spirit and a direct me adi bi am ye bia no kwa ye we ye say what I say ti susum ni nyan kasa antre me dia la me kasa we nipa bone mu bi ni wo no ma wi aku unye nipa bone what I say unye nipa bone but noma binti for the sake of noma binti into me yeah mesro dimachi na expect school bi asisia yan classroom so na we say ibe hu konwa e wo honoma aha e northern region Kolugo na Vrongo side wo Kolugo yen wuram mesro dimachi na yan ade ti school building na ye kwa ko wuram ahwe se enua no ma mo sua de wa hanom wo konwa tena so a ye kwa ko wuram wa nwa no eno na e wo screen so awo hwe nti yen check yen kan check ha ni kan check ha ni kan check ha it's my boys, how are you? Yeah. Hey, do you study here? Do you study here? People come to this class and learn. Some students come to this class and learn. So they don't have chairs. They sat on the ground. Oh, every day. Wow. So which class is this? KG2. So every day they will come and sit on the ground. Okay, thank you. Abusa, sewa wasuma sewa TV. Aha. Okay, yanko KG1. Almost high KG1. Yeah, enter KG1. I heard it. We enter KG1. Yeah, KG1. I see so almost to form. Almost to form. Now so kayin na ye Ghana for. Ti me tonkra na brongo for MP, DC, MCE. One assembly member what say unima sase na bra. Kolgo primary na sabi. Enya fe. Let's go to the other class and see. I'm fresh to class we. Okay. The same. Dada na. Almost they be almost to form. So you just imagine say oba be dware wie say okọ school. Na oba school no polish awati nyina the better na form. How crampo they say atutu. How crampo minu ahwe ohwe o. Hwe we na ye enuamo no ye mabi motimo. Na so